Sometimes I don't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even hang my toes. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul. And this is all my opinion, ain't nothing that I'm saying, Lord. This is a true confession of a life learned lesson I was sent here to share. Time, keep your expensive car and your caviar. All I need is my guitar. Keep your crisp. Where the wind calls my name, the wind is calling.
Nat has been styling me personally for about 9 years. Like, I have like a whole section of Dollhouse in my closet. Like, I love Dollhouse Boutique. Love. I'm going to support my friend. Oh, and I cannot wait to show y'all my outfit. It is made by Irregular Jess. It is so cute. And it's hosted by one of the classiest women that I know, which is Rachel. If y'all don't know Rachel and Robin, get to know them. They like the classiest twins. My bad, I had to delete the other one. We are celebrating her 12th anniversary. I said 25th, but it's the 12th. So it's a trunk show. I think that it is very important that we all stick together and support one another. So we can't preach it. What I was saying was we can't preach it if we don't practice it. And support is just like, it needs to happen. I think it takes a tremendous amount of confidence and real happiness and real success for a woman to support another woman. And that's just my logic, because I always try to come up with reasons why we don't support each other like we should. So that's just my logic. And not say you believe in God and really don't believe that what's for you is for you. So regardless of what, you're going to be good regardless. In Salon Rocher, it is so pretty in here. Pop-up shop for Dollhouse, Natalie Ragdoll. What's up, Snapchat? I'm here with my baby. Come around here. This is the classy lady. I'm not talking about Natalie Ragdoll. Don't get it twisted. I love when I stand with you. She's being such a good host because she's classy, like I told y'all. Girl power, boss bitches, you and me. Facts. Guys, the event was amazing. I have so many dope pieces I cannot wait to show you guys. So cute. Oh my God.